Okay, so with the camera off, you drew the people, and you said you wanted to draw some lines. Okay.
Like if we drew a line like here, this could be one group. This could be another group.
Okay.
Actually, in this, well, yeah, these two groups would still both work.
Okay.
You just have to make sure that each group has 16 or less people.
Well, that's a good point. You might not need full 16 people per group. But if you're going to try to minimize it, what do you think you probably ought to do?
You probably want to have 16 people. You don't have the divide of 16 and 10 when you draw these lines like this.
Yeah. So
16.
if you're going to try to minimize the number of groups you have, it's not always the case, but probably a good starting point is trying to put the most people you can in every group.
Yeah.
So
Well, maybe I can just try something.
okay.
So that line I think divided in 14 people.
All right.
So draw it here. Gets us 16 people.
Yep.
But now we need to make these people somehow be able to talk with these people.
Okay, so what's your one group right now goes from 15 all the way around to number 4.
Yep, everyone goes from 5 to 14.
Well, have you made one group or have you made 2 groups?
Well, I made 2 groups. I made... Actually, technically I've only made one. This is a group. This is just people that aren't in groups yet.
Okay, so you've got one group that you've made so far. So that's nice. There's one group here with 16 people in it.
Yep. And then maybe I can try to include these 10 people.
To make them in the group with all these other people.
I mean, I could do something like this.
Okay.
Well, I've got 16 people. Now, all of these people here can talk with everybody.
Oh, interesting.
But now you need these people to be able to talk with these guys because they can already talk with those.
Okay, so actually, yeah. Why don't you go next and see?
Well, we could do the same thing, except we could just do it the other way. See if we can divide it. So,
Okay. How many people have you made in this group?
We made 12. No, 11. Yeah. Made 11, but 13 people in this group over here.
I divided it 13 and 13. Oh well.
Well, that's okay. Do you want to make a different divide?
Yeah, because there needs to be a group of 16.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Can you write the number?
Need to be 1.
Can you write the number 1 back in for me, please? All right. So, what were you trying to do here?
So I was trying to do the same thing that you did over here, kind of divide so that this side gets to talk with these people, but I was trying to do that so that this side gets to talk with those.
Okay. So who would you like to talk with these people over here? Which people?
The people on this side over here.
Okay.
So these people already can. These people from 15 through 20 can already talk with everyone.
Yeah, actually, the number 15 also got erased. There we go.
Oh, I want these people to talk with those people over there.
Yeah.
So we need to draw a line here. So how would I? No. How would I make it so that?
Well, there's 10,
Well,
10
don't
people in
worry
there.
about the line you want to draw.
Yeah.
Tell me in words who you want to talk to.
So I want person number 21 through person number 4, talk with person number 5 through person number 14.
Okay. All right. That sounds like a pretty good plan. Actually, you know what? We're getting close to 5 minutes, so let's just go to the next video.